Trisha. This is my room that I'm going to be giving a mini makeover to. It's kind of boring, isn't it? So when this room was actually renovated, I was kind of going for a more minimal look, but I realized that I'm quite the opposite. So I feel like I'm just gonna add a bunch of stuff that kind of inspire me and things that I like. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it because I kind of want to keep it on a budget. I don't want to spend that much. I got this green curtain to replace this so that I can have a pop of color in my room. And initially I wanted the darker green, but then I realized that I should probably go with like a lighter sage green so that it's not too dark and it's a little bit more calming. I also color coordinated my closet. I'm very proud of what I've done. So we have like the lights to the browns and to the dark and my jeans and all up there. So you might see me wearing a lot of the same clothes because I got rid of a lot of clothes. I have some boxing gloves here because I used to take a boxing class at school and I actually really loved it. I kind of want to take some classes again. And we have some birthday cards, some of my journals, and then there's like a whole bunch of Polaroids in here too. So I kind of cheated already and I did this off camera, and I'm gonna put this up on my side wall. I hope that's straight. If these fall on me in the middle of the night, I will literally my pants. I printed some pictures out at FedEx. I already figured out the layout that I want. It's gonna go right above my bed right here. Thing that I'm gonna do for today is change my bedding. We have a lot of green going on, which I really like. I had a family member make me this pillowcase because I really wanted some gingham. I'm happy that it kind of fits. Oh yes, so pretty. Also, you're gonna see how much of a struggle it is to change my bedding because I literally have to like inside out. It's a hammerhead shark, and his name is Tank. Welcome to the family. The line is so long for the food. I came to IKEA to buy a pegboard, but I'm gonna show you me buying an ice cream instead because their ice cream is so good. $1.65, what the heck? This thing used to be $1. Hey everyone, this is the IKEA ice cream. I think this is one of my favorite soft serve ice cream because it's just so creamy. What time is it? It's 1:34. This is the only thing that I've eaten so far. My hair is such a mess. It's already 6 p.m. How did 5 hours pass by? I wanted to show you what I got at IKEA. So I got this pegboard and I'm thinking about putting it whoops, right underneath this bookshelf right here. Hopefully it'll fit. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna make it fit. Just cuter. And I'm gonna use these Velcro strips because I don't want to drill holes in my wall. Let's see if it'll fall or not. So you can see pretty spot on, yeah? So while that sits for an hour, I'm probably gonna start adding the stuff on the pegboard so that I can just hang it on. I ended up fixing the rest of my desk. All right, let's see if this works. I'm gonna put the computer mat. I have this seat cushion because I have a really bad back. This helps me a lot, so I just kind of want to cover it as well. It even fit. Oh my god, what is this? I like it. I think it's cute. This, I think, look, this little touch light. Do you like this? It looks like I spilled water. I got this on one of my other vlogs, and then here I just have like a little tray to put some random things in. Hello, I like strawberries. Here we have another touch light, and it has like different tones of light. It has this tray too. I make a lot of lists, so this is kind of perfect for me. I can put the day, check boxes. You might be wondering about the guitar and the piano that I brought in. These are really old. I used to take lessons when I was younger. Well, I took like 4 to 5 lessons each and then I quit. I was just really shy. I was a really shy kid. I felt so like uncomfortable doing the one-on-one. I remember I told my mom that I didn't want to take lessons anymore and that I would just teach myself. And I did. After that, I kind of just like got lazy and just started learning tabs or like memorizing stuff from like YouTube and all that. One of my goals is to get back into playing the guitar and the piano. I really want to start learning how to play them again. So I figured if I brought them inside my room, I will just eventually start. I do know how to play some songs. Maybe someday I can show you. Where should I put this? Should I put this here? And I have my Polaroid camera already up on there. And I have this little crate storage. I always have like my hair in a clip at night, so right before I go to bed I usually like take it off and then I throw it to like the side over here. I think it'd just be nice if I had a little place to store it, and then I also have my glasses in here too. And I just have a bunch of notebooks. That's my problem. I always buy so much notebooks. Okay, so I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. I think I've done all that I wanted with my room, with the budget that I have. Thankfully, I didn't have to spend that much. I kind of already had a lot of stuff around the house. Yeah, I'm gonna spend some time just lying on the rug because this is a big reason why I wanted the rug. I actually like sitting on the floor a lot, so now I get to lay on it. Yeah. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I haven't been feeling well. Hopefully I can get back in the groove of things. I don't know why I said groove. I never say groove, but you know what I mean. Hopefully I can start posting more, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see ya. Bye.